There's a tornado on the ground. It's right behind us. It's right here.
This is Emory, Texas.
PDS tour for Sulphur Springs.
Looks like it's roping out. We're good. I think it's roping out.
We want to keep up with it?
Yeah, let's try to keep up with the storm.
Yeah, they PDS warned for Sulphur Springs.
Sulphur Spring, Highway 19 is just right up ahead.
Yep.
Clear.
Let me.
Yeah, you can close that.
That was almost good at great execution, Trey.
Wow.
Significant damage to the house.
Hey, is everybody all right?
They said they're safe.
All right.
All right.
They said they're safe, so.
They are?
Yeah.
All right.
So everyone in occupants of this home is safe. Looks like we have another tornado developing.
Yep.